Yes, guys, class is in session. Today, in this particular video, not only am I going to go over the binary option strategy that is the best on YouTube and in the world, not only that, I'm going to teach you the steps on how to get prepared for trading on binary options. And what I mean by this is all the steps you need in order to take the best, the best entry in the market. So with that said, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notification. This is a unedited full raw footage we're seeing here. No edits here. If I make a mistake, I'm gonna leave it on here because that's just how it is. But with that said, make sure you guys join Discord if you love to trade on binary options. If you love binary options, HFX, Forex, cryptocurrencies, all that stuff, you want to collaborate with other traders, find other people that are in the same niche as you. Make sure to join the Discord right now and start, collaborating with others, networking, all that stuff. Because, network is very, very important. So just join the Discord, all that stuff. Also, make sure you guys buy a Nano Ledger X right here, guys. Yes, a Nano Ledger X. If you own cryptocurrency, this is a cold wallet. This is so hackers won't steal any of your money. Click the link down below to buy yourself one. Also, if you guys, want to join Coinbase and haven't yet, join right now and get $10 of free Bitcoin. Come on, guys. But enough with that, all that sponsorship stuff. We're going to get right into the content. So, as you guys know, before we even start with this strategy and I tell you guys how to use this binary option strategy, I gotta show you the steps you gotta take before you look at a trade. So I wrote it down right here. You guys can see below me. And yes, guys, I am standing up. I am very, I don't know. I just don't want to sit down. I don't know why, but basically right here, make sure you guys take your notepads out right now. If you have a notepad or if you have a tablet, or write it in your notes or take a screenshot or whatever. But so with that said, I'm going to go over it. This is the 1 minute strategy. You can use the 2 and 3 minute strategy if you want. Yes. So the first step is picking 3 currency pairs. Why do I have this on here? Well, that means you can just focus on 3 specific pairs. You won't have to be worried about all the other ones. Keep scrolling saves you less, saves you more time and less stress. Yeah, so pick 3 pairs that you like or that are easy for you to understand. I would choose like Euro USD, JPYs, GDP, like stuff that we know. So with that said, number 2 is to look at the overall trends of the currency pairs. So what do I mean by this? You look at the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 10 minute, 5, 3, 2, 1, and so on, So from there, you go on to number 3, sort of to number 3. So before I go into number 3, actually, from this overall trend, you want to be looking for if it's in an uptrend or downtrend. So is it an uptrend or downtrend? Well, basis off that, you can use that with your strategy, which will help. And yeah, so now moving on to number 3, pullbacks. Yes, even if there's an uptrend, as you guys can see on the left side, there's an uptrend. You can see there's 2 or 3 igniting candles, as you can see right here. 1, 2, 3. You see this one, but it was in a downtrend. As you see, there's a pullback, a major pullback, and then later on, you knew it started to go for sells right here. So you guys can see it kept going on for sells. So yeah, that's what I mean by pullbacks. You want to look for pullbacks. And number 4, when trading, you want to look on the currency strength pair. Yes, you can use the link down below to look at the currency strength pair to see what is strong and what is weak. That is very, very helpful when trading binary options, because you got to remember, binary options is very fast paced. It's not like Forex where you could take a 1 hour, 4 hour, a couple day trades. Here you take like 2, 4, 5, 10-minute trades, like very, very fast. So a lot of stuff could happen. So you want to be quick with it. So from this right here, as you guys could see, we're going to use the strategy now. So let's look at the strategy. So we're going to be using the moving averages. We're using 2 of them. We're using the 9 EMA. As you guys can see, make sure you take a screenshot. And we're also using 21 EMA. Yes. And then you could also add like a RSI if you want. I'm using ADX. If you want to look at the settings for ADX, I'm using 1010 with these colors right here. So yeah. So with that said, we're going to be using everything to get in a trade. So basically, well, this is OTC because currently, it is 4 p.m. So pocket option is, cleaning or like maintenance right now is happening with it. So we're using OTC right now. So first step is you pick a pair, 3 pairs. Well, we're actually going to just be using right now for this video, just ADX, ADUSD, CAD Chef. Okay, so next step, as you guys can see from the notepad, we picked 3 pairs. Now we're going to look at the overall trend, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 right here. So the 1 hour shows us an overall sell trend. You can see a downtrend. This shows a downtrend. This shows mainly an uptrend. For whatever reason, this went there's a major pullback for whatever reason. But right here, we can see the 2 of them have a downtrend. You can see right here. So let's look at the 30 minutes. Downtrend, downtrend. I mean, that's an outlier. So we're not going to, just ignore that. Downtrend, downtrend at the 15. So on and so on. You guys get it. Downtrend, downtrend. So by doing this, you're gaining a lot of knowledge and a lot of indicators suggesting that you should go for sells on these 2 right here if you look at it. So next step, so we're using the 15-second candles if you guys didn't want to know. Next step is, it says right here, the overall trend shows us a downtrend. Yes. So now let's look for any pullbacks. Were there any pullbacks happening? Well, there's a pullback right here. We could have got in. As you guys can see, there was a pullback. Went for another sell. You guys could see. Okay, so we saw pullbacks. Now the currency strength meter. Well, these are OTCs. We don't have currency strength meters, so that sucks. But let's just say the AUD had a, let's just say from it has a weaker currency strength because it shows us a downtrend. So now we're going to be using the strategy. So the moving averages, when they cross something like this, that means there's a reversal in trend. So as you guys could see, right now they crossed down here. Let's just say they went up right now, the uptrend, and there was a cross right here, as you guys can see. That means there was a reversal in trend, and then it started to make its way down, as you guys can see right here. It made its way down, and there was pullbacks right here, pullback right here, pullback right here, another pullback right there. You guys see another right here. There was a pullback right here. Now you understand. So when we use this strategy, basically for an uptrend or downtrend, we're looking for reversals like this, and then we're waiting for a pullback, something like this. And that's when we want to go in for a sell, because it's a reversal showing us a downtrend, and that means you want to go for sales. So you wait for a pullback, and this will help you too. The red shows you how the percentage of sellers, the green shows you the percentage of buyers, and the white line right here shows you the strength of the trend. If it's in a downtrend like this, that'd be a strong trend. Right here you can see it's like a 53% strength. That's very, very high. You want to look for 20 and above. That's what you want to look. When it starts consolidating, that's when you want to get out of a trade and look for new pairs. So then you'll ignore the other 3 pairs and go in for a new pair. So that is basically how you use everything with these right here, these 4 rules when looking, for a correct entry to get in on this strategy. We are using 1 minute. You could use 2 minute. I would say it's safer to use the 2 minute if I'm telling you, being honest. But that is all I have for today. That's the overall, of how to use this strategy the best to your ability, and that's me trying to explain it best as I can. So now we're just gonna have a recap, basically. So we're gonna be looking at the 1 hour. Shows us right here a downtrend, 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 and so on. Yes, we picked the currency pairs. Yes, we did. Any pullbacks? I don't see. Oh, well, there was a pullback right here. Okay, there was a pullback right here. You guys could see. Let's look at this one actually. So right here, there was a pullback in the 1 hour. Right here, if it goes to 516, you can get in for 1. Let's see. So right here, we're gonna see a pullback. As you guys can see, it reached all the way to 540 on here. I do believe it's gonna end at the 529, around that area. You guys can see there was a pullback right here, but that's basically how you get in. I'm gonna try to get in one real quick. Let me see if I can find one that's very good. Okay. Okay, that's not good. Guys, this is unedited, so make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications, do all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just do all that while we wait and find a good one. Let's go in for buys. Yep, we're not gonna mess with that. Okay, that's a risky one. It's still developing. That's going for buys. Yeah, that's too good. That's too late on that one, if I'm being honest. Had a feeling it was gonna make its way back up. We're just gonna ignore that. So right now, like, the market is doing a lot of stuff. Okay, this one shows sells right here. Sell, sell, sell. Yep, shows us sells right here. So I got in right here. Well, actually, I didn't go through the full process, but basically, why I got on this trade, if you look at the 1 hour, this shows us a sell. If you guys can see, they crossed a reversal and trend right here. There was a reversal, so I went in for a trade. I'm looking at 30-minute. Oh, actually, this shows us a buy. Well, this is actually not a good example, if I'm being honest. Yep, right here. Yeah, it's not a good example. that's okay. We're gonna look for another one real quick. This is my live account too, so I just lost money, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I mean, it happens. You're gonna lose in this. If you're scared to lose, then yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, that's continuing to go up. Yeah, that's not a good one. So right now it's very, very difficult to find one that's, you know, for buys or sells. So right now the OT market is just like, yeah, the OT market is, I don't know. Let's see if we can find one real quick. Okay, right here shows us sell, sells. So basically I'm gonna look for a pullback right here. You guys can see this shows us a sell. Well, this one doesn't show you a sell really, but it looks like it's going for sells right here. So what you're gonna do is look at the 30-minute. It shows us a sell, another sell, and a sell right here. So I just went in for one because there's a pullback, a major pullback. So that's why I got in on this one. And we're just gonna wait and see because there was a reversal right here. And yeah, that's why I went in. And then again, guys, this is OTC. I will make another video on the real currency because I don't know anything about OTCs, if I'm being honest. But we used all these right here. The 1 hour, 30-minute, we looked at the overall trend. We looked for pullback, which happened. There was a pullback. And then we looked at the currency. Well, we can't look at that. And then we looked for the reversal right here, which showed us a, you know, a sell. There's a pullback right here. So that is why I picked it. And yeah, guys, we have 29 seconds left on this trade. We're just going to be patient. And yes. So this actually was a good trade. There was a major pullback and we got in. You guys can see right here. The other one wasn't because I did not look clearly on the other one. Half of it was for sells, half of it was for buys, which I didn't look at. And we won, guys. There we go. That is basically how you use it. I will be going live on my Discord, link in description down below. If you like this informational video, if you want more of these, I will try to, you know, explain it even better, live, all that stuff. So with that said, see you guys, and you guys have a great day. Make sure you guys also you share it with your friends, families, all that stuff. We are near summer, so it's your time to grind right now. We have a couple months before summer, so get, you know, just get grinding on this right here. Start learning a lot about trading, binary options, HFX, Forex, all that stuff. Start learning all that stuff. And yeah, so basically, I mean, subscribe, comment, let me know where you guys from. Are you guys in a team or anything? Because I'm solo, if you guys are wondering. I mean, I doubt it. Also, make sure you guys, you know, get yourself one of these. Link down in the description down below. Sorry guys, I cannot talk. But that's class session number 1. We're going to be having a class session every other day, hopefully. And yeah, guys, with that said, peace.